Annyeonghaseyo, everyone! Ever picked up a phone in Korea and had no idea what to say? Don't worry, here are 5 must-know Korean phone call phrases that will help you to sound like a native. Ready? Let's go! So our first phrase is 여보세요? 여보세요? Second phrase is 지금 통화 가능하세요? 지금 통화 가능하세요? Third phrase is 잠시만요. 잠시만요. Fourth phrase is 다시 전화할게요. 다시 전화할게요. And the last phrase is 지금 잘 안 들려요. 지금 잘 안 들려요. 잘했어요, 여러분. Now you are ready to take any call in Korea like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe